Yes, welcome back again, students, to the next portion of size separation. This will be the last equipment for learning phase in the size separation. It is not limited to that equipments. There are many more equipments are there, but we are moving as per the syllabus. This will be the last equipment, so called as a bag filters. When we talk about the bag filter, there is no need to hesitate about that words. It is very simple, just like a vacuum cleaner which we are using at our home. It is the domestic equipment. Many of our household people, they are using this equipment, and this is nothing but the specifically fabricated for collection of fine from the suspended medium, whether it is in gas, whether it is into the air, where we can collect the trapped particles into their desired size gradation by use of suction and vacuum principle. This is the major things where the bag filters are worked. So when we talk about this working principle of this bag filter, the separation of fine particles from the milk powder is been achieved by the powder is passed through the bag filter cloth by applying the suction on the opposite side of the feed entry. So, and second one is the pressure is applied in order to shake the bag so that powder adhering to the bag fall off, which is collected from the conical base. I will show you the equipment which is specifically work in two phases, where a specific damper and CAM, these both things are working uniquely to make feasibility for making the unit operation for the size separation of your components. So in this particular equipments, when we talk about the construction, so it consists of numbers of bag made up of cotton or wool fabric like materials, and they are suspended in the sheet metal container. The metal container is nothing but this is the kind of chamber within which we are arranging a number of bag. This is the 2 or 3 number of bag, but we can enhance up to 7, 10, 12 numbers of the bag depending upon the requirement and capacity of the equipment. You can set the numbers of bag accordingly. A hopper is arranged at the bottom of the filter to provide the feed at the top of the metal container. A provision is already been made for exhaust system, and adjust to this a bell crank lever arrangement is made to bring the filters to normal atmospheric condition. This crank bell lever arrangement is most important for the working of this air filter. This is based on this clock and lock and unlock like situation, where atmospheric condition is going to be settled within that system. It will be start for suction and likewise for pressure within that chamber. So the particles are in the very first phase is moving upward. When the atmospheric pressure is reached, the particles are fall down based on their density, and the particles are collected accordingly. When we talk about the working of this bag filter is in two steps, as I already discussed in principle of working of this air filter. The first step, where the feed is separated from the air by passing it through the cloth bag. So in this subsequent step, in the next part, the bags are shaken to collect these fine particles that are adhered to that bag. So the vibration mode is sometimes used to collect the suspended particle and which already been adhered to that filter cloth bag. So to recollect the particle, we require slighter vibration mode, or otherwise we can have the kind of pressure, or sometime some agitation system might be advantageous to collect the fine particles. These two steps follow in the succession and are controlled at the different interval with the help of bell crank lever. Now we should understand first what is called as a bell crank lever arrangement. So in this bell crank arrangement, it is specifically devices attachment to this chamber of your air filter, that A shaft with the cam is allowed to rotate at a low speed. During the rotation, the cam can either press the bell crank lever or does not come into contact. So you can see here clearly when one part or bell is coming not in contact with this system, while in another system the bell is already been connected with this part. So somehow this part will indicate there is a kind of upward movement of particle. When it reach to the certain extent, I mean to say up to the atmospheric extent, then the bell crank system will lock the system, and again this system will fall down the suspended particles. So depending upon this mechanism, the damper change its position, and it is useful mechanism to control the size gradation of that particles. So when we talk about actual working, apart from that bell crank lever arrangement, it is one kind of devices, but when we talk about the overall working, it will be divided into two parts. One part is called as a filtering period and second part is called as a shaking period. In the filtering period, the exhaust fan position at the top keep the bag under less pressure than atmospheric pressure, as I told you earlier, and the gas containing the fine particle or dust or other kind of airborne particle enter the hopper as shown with the arrow, like in that way. The gas feed then pass through the fabric of bag. During this process, the fine or dust are retained in the bag while the gas reach at the top of the casing, and because of that air, the bag remaining just taut during the filtering operation. So this will be the filtering phase. When we talk about the shaking period, so during that shaking period, vacuum is cut off in that chamber and air from the outside enter the casing and passes through the bag, and this result in violent shaking of that bag or vigorous shaking of that bag. Not in that extent the bag are get damaged, because it already containing that particles and some suspended materials, so that the dust and fine particles are displaced from the bag and fall down into the conical base, and it is then removed at the interval. So within the certain time interval you can recollect the particle which are being fed for getting the particle size separation. So these devices are entirely automatic in their action and can be designed to affect the very large filtering surface per unit floor space. So you can easily install these devices while making it comfortable for the size separation. So you should remember the two phase, where in small words I would like to share that in filtering period the basic mechanism is that the cam does not press the bell crank lever. You will see here in the first A figure, while the cam cannot just bell to that unit. So the contact between the bag and suction is obviously going to open, and the contact between the bag and atmosphere is going to close. So in that case is only suspension of the particle is being carried out. While if you talk about the shaking period, the cam presses the bell crank lever, so automatically due to that reason the contact between the bag and suction is going to close, and it will open the contact between the bag and atmosphere. So due to that reason the particles are recollected. So this is the base where the mechanism through which it is working specifically. The two phase where we already been talked. When we talk about the applications or when we talk about the uses, so it is used in connection with other size separator, like say for example cyclone separator, to improve the efficiency for the size separation of fine particle or dust particle from the mixture of powder. They are certainly used to remove the fine from the cyclone separator, and it can be connected to the discharge unit of fluid energy mill to recollect the fine particles. Sorry. What are the advantages? One can remove the fine, and this is the only one method where the in continuous mode sometime we can remove the fine particles during the operation of size separation. It can also be used for removing the dust, as I told you the example of simple vacuum cleaner at our home. It is nothing but vacuum cleaner by which we can collect the particles or dust or any debris. Only such a small drawback is that we cannot say this is actually size separator. It is just like a devices one has to connect with other size separation or size reduction equipment to prevent the contamination due to the fine dust or powder during the processing. So this is what about the overall working principle, construction, functioning, uses, application and drawback regarding the air separator. Thank you very much.